We will start this exercise with the 3-2-1 method. So close your eyes, take a deep breath into your body. And on exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 3 times. Again, take a deep breath into your body. And on the exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 2 3 times. Again, take a deep breath into your body. And on the exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 1 3 times. You are now at a healthier level of mind. To go deeper into this level of mind, I will count backwards from 10 to 0. On hitting 0, you will be at the alpha level of mind. On each descending number, you will go deeper. 10, 9, going deeper. 8, 7, 6, going deeper. 5, 4, 3, going deeper. 2, 1, 0. You are now at an alpha level of mind.